Cheers, guys. So this one's called The Oppressed Right Back. Heart tissue crying to the sound of its beat. Beginning enters with a bass. Slam my heart like a door to your bedroom. It's over. I still love you. I've just forgotten how it feels to lay on the tracks of your ribs. But that's the past. Even though it's thumping rhythms inside, it's the past, breathing deep to the beat of a new sunrise. Some people strum your heartstrings, others snap them. But all that hurt you can be tuned into passion. I'm chasing mine. Spinal cord and spiral stimulate your sonic heartbeat for survival. Because these waves of phase and days of pain are tidal. But there's so much beauty in how we all relate with music and beats and feelings that speak on the street. Holding the end straps of my rucksack, headphones plugged into heartbeat. Music is the beat of the oppressed. Refuse to be suppressed, stressed, depressed, repressed, and reduced of your muse. I'll spit truth, even when I understand sadness more than myself. I'll spit truth, bending perceptions into messes of connection. I'll spit truth, streaming rivers into cascades of hope. High notes, breathe, air, gasp. For another lonely strum of a string to snap my synapse into climax as my mind laps, then the mic snaps. The youth are bleeding on the wrists of the street, but the oppressed write back, and guess what? We write back with a beat.